Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trades. It's come to you live from Vietnam, guys. Howdy, howdy. Good morning from Vietnam, guys. And we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu price prediction. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin price prediction, and also looks like we have a huge bull flag pattern forming for Dogecoin. So what does that mean? Are we going to be going up? Are we going to be going down? Also, we're going to be talking about some technicals for Doge and technicals for Bitcoin and technicals for Shiba Inu. We're seeing some interesting Bollinger Band activity happening, and this could really mean and point to one thing, guys. So we're going to dive into all of that and let you know that something big is brewing for Dogecoin, something big is brewing for Shiba Inu, and something big is brewing for Bitcoin, guys. So don't delay. Don't forget to smash the freaking likes, guys, like crazy. Smash the likes. Show some freaking love out there. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is just OG in-house expressing my opinion. So I'm off today. I'm at home. Basically, I tore a muscle. Went running and tore a muscle in my calf. So I went to the hospital yesterday. That's what I'm doing. So I'm kind of hanging around the house. Can't be moving around, but I'm still going to the gym this afternoon. Still going to the gym, maybe still going to the gym tonight. But I'm just gonna sit and just do this kind of stuff. Can't do much walking. So let's jump into content without any further delay. Sorry for the craziness. Go back and watch all the other videos. We did have 420 huge Dogecoin Bitcoin shocking prediction, and I just want to. Before I get into it, I just want to let you know that the halving is coming, and the halving right now is around about, I think it's less than a week. It's about 8 days. 8 days, and typically, as we get closer to the halving, we do see market makers do a little bit of manipulation. So they're going to be pushing things up, pushing things down. They're going to be just trying to take as much liquidity from the market as possible. So that's what you're seeing right now with the market. So you're just going to see everything really consolidating, really range bound. So there's a little bit of manipulation because smart money right now kind of just like sits on the sidelines and just waits to the dust to settle until after the halving. So I expect some more weird and choppiness and consolidationness and just really unpredictable crypto markets. Typically crypto markets are kind of unpredictable anyways, but we're more unpredictable than normal. So for me, not financial advice. I'm sitting on the freaking sidelines. That's what I'm doing right now. So that's what you can do. So go back and watch all the videos. And also want a big shout out to my friend Bob from Thailand. A huge fan, big supporter. Much love to you and your family out there. And it's a great time to be alive. I met him yesterday. And great guy, beautiful family, beautiful kids. Much love. Hopefully I'll see you maybe soon. Take care, brother. And when I'm in Thailand, let's do that dinner. I'm going to be there. So much love to you, Bob, and all the other subscribers out there, guys. So we're seeing that the U.S. markets were kind of mixed. We had the Dow Jones was kind of neutral out there. S&P was up, and we saw the Nasdaq. So remember, Nasdaq is typically stacked. What kind of language is that? Tech stocks out there. Biden, looks like Biden and China tariff threats are more bark than bite. So it looks like something's brewing with China. Looks like something interesting in my home country right now. Looks like someone got in trouble out there. So what's going on with that? It looks like this property tycoon got sentenced to the out there. So for largest financial fraud, it was like 20% of the GDP out there. Wow. Amazing out there. So, craziness. Other big news, looks like SEC Gary issues Wells notice to DeFi protocol Uniswap out there. So, the boys at Uniswap, they're not too concerned. The SEC has authority over self-custodial, non-intermediate products. It could tell us how to register them. It could tell, but it can't, so it doesn't. It has provided no clarity and no guidance, and as SEC commissioners have stated multiple times. So they're saying that SEC has no authority over Uniswap because it's self-custodial. So how are they going to go after them? And then when they ask for clarity, the SEC says, I don't know. So I think that Gary's overstepping, and we've seen this time and time again that, yeah, I think he's overstepping. And what did they say from Uniswap? They said today's Wells notice against Uniswap is disappointing, but it is not unexpected. This is another abuse of power. Not unsurprising for the SEC that last month a federal judge ruled committed a gross abuse of power by lying in court about a crypto project. So let's see. I don't think this will go anywhere. I think this is just bupkis out there. Looks like Doge is seen as one of the ultimate playgrounds as Bitcoin halving approaches, says a Doge contributor. So what's this all about? So it looks like an influential Dogecoin contributor who goes by the name of Mishbar basically said that, don't leverage trade. Dear Dogecoin, if there's one piece of advice you should take from my feed, it always stay away from leverage. So I've been talking about leverage. I've been talking about this. Don't do it. Don't do leverage. Don't trade derivatives. It's just, you'll risk it all. Don't do that. And also, as I said in the intro, as the halving gets closer, basically because with approaching halving, things will get weird, and they do get weird in any direction. While people may think they can easily predict the market, you can't. It's like trying to catch a falling knife. There are also new colossal flows of liquidity coming into the new markets, right? And halving is going to get weird, guys. It's going to get weird. What else is coming in? Overall, the markets are kind of weird right now. It looks like we're about to flip green, but we're just kind of like range bound. We're going to be talking about Bollinger Bands. We're going to be talking about Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin in a second. Hold on. Let's get through this content. Right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin is down 1.2%. We're still up on the weekly, 8.9%. Still up on the yearly, guys. But it's just kind of like it's like 1 minute we're up, 1 minute we're down. We're seeing Pepe is up. Where's my Doge? My Doge, I can't find my Doge. My Doge is gone. So we're seeing that the WIF is down. Yeah, it's just weird and wacky. Expect a lot of weirdness out there. Fear and greed right now. Ding, 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 ding. Fear and greed out there. It's at 79. So people are like happy again. This is a delayed indicator. It's usually like updated every 24 hours. So this is talking about yesterday, not today, because tomorrow it's going to be down again, right? So we're still in extreme fear. It's still a wacky weirdness out there. Overall, the crypto markets right now, we are seeing, let me give you this minty refresh, make sure we got all the updated. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111 if you love the Doge. 333 for the haters and Charles, go eat some cat food, and 555 to show some love and support for the Uchi. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down on the daily, but I think we're probably gonna flip green. It's just a weird day out there. Remember, Wednesday was reversal day. I think we're going to weekend. I think we'll have low volumes. Nothing much is going to happen. Ethereum is down. BNB is on a tear right now. Solana is up again, but still very much range bound. XRP is down. Market cap 33.4 billion. Some people are saying, well, Doge is going to flip XRP. It could happen. I mean, look at Cardano. Cardano's like nowhere to be found. Like, I don't know what's going on with Cardano. I'm extremely disappointed. I got a ton, and I'm losing money on Cardano right now. I expected this thing to be a buck. It ain't happening, and we really haven't heard much what's going on with Cardano. Avalanche, Shiba Inu is also down as well. We're going to be talking about some Bollinger Bands, some technicals for those. Meme coins right now, total market cap, meme coins are on 61 billion. Dogecoin is the top meme. You guys know it, followed by Shiba Inu. We need to talk about them. Absolutely need to talk about them. Doge at 1952. Volume is down almost 18%. Market cap is down as well. Kind of a poo-poo schmata day out there. Halving, we talked about 7 days, 23 hours. Boom chakalaka. DXY is not going down, guys. This is bad news bears. We need DXY to go down. Definitely need it to go Y. So, Bitcoin, daily Bollinger Bands continue to constrict. Now, this is really important for you guys to understand this, that right now we can see here that if we take a look at the EMA ribbons, we can see that on the 20-day moving average and the 25-day moving average, and all the moving average, Bitcoin is well above that. Okay, but what I really want you guys to understand here, let me just get that out of there, is if you take a look at the Bollinger Bands, we're seeing that the Bollinger Bands are squeezing, getting tighter and tighter. And as this happens, we often see that any crypto or any stock for that matter will start to make a move. As we get closer and closer, these are creating pressure. I still believe that my trend line here for Bitcoin to take us up to 80 is intact. I don't think it's going to happen this week. I think after the halving, we're going to have some downside, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. And then these Bollinger Bands are going to get very tight and it's going to push us up to 80. Very simple. Now, if we take a look at Dogecoin is also being supported by the 20, 25, 50-day moving averages. So we're well above the moving averages on the daily. So that is good news, bears. From my perspective, Doge is looking very, very good technically. We went all the way down. We got supported the 50-day moving average. We went back up again. We're well above the 50-day moving average out there. So I digress. This is Ethereum. Oh my God. But you'll see in a second that Dogecoin has a very similar pattern. So you can see here, once again, Ethereum is being supported. We went down, we went back up, supported on the 50-day. Here again, the Bollinger Bands are squeezing. This is indicative of a huge breakout coming soon. Okay, so Dogecoin right now, as I said, yeah, it's at 19. We're seeing that for the most part, the technicals for Doge we're well in buy zone. I mean, I think it's a good time to buy Doge, not financial advice. So let's talk about Doge. So you can see here that Doge is well above the 20-day moving average, the 25, the 30, the 40, the 50. We're well above the moving average. So we're screaming above the moving average, which is good. Okay. Also, too, we can see here that if you look at the 20-day moving average, you can see here the well above being supported by the 20-day moving average right here. And you can see that the Bollinger Bands are screaming for breakout. We can see we had a top here, went all the way down, got supported on the 20 simple moving average, 20-day SMA here. And we are bouncing above that, well above that. We got some resistance at 20 out there, and I really believe that we are going to pump. We've got a bull flag forming as well. We're going to be looking at that on a different time frame. But things are screaming technically that Dogecoin is probably going to break out and probably going to take us up to 30 to 40 cents out there. That's what I'm thinking. So the Bollinger Bands are squeezing Dogecoin right now, and the 50 EMA is acting as support. The 20 SMA is also acting as support. I predict that there's a good probability of 40 cents if we can break past the 20-cent resistance, which has been like a huge Debbie Downer resistance for some time. We're going to get past there, guys. We're going to definitely blow past there. Shiba Inu as well. Shiba Inu is not looking as good. We are getting support at around about the 25-day moving average, so that is good news. And the squeeze is tighter. So technically, we could see that we could go up to these previous levels here. So our previous level for Shiba Inu was right here, guys, right here. So we could easily see ourselves going back up to 45. So from my perspective, I think that from where we are, if we go up to 45, I think that's around about 60% pump from there to 45. Yeah, around 60% pump. We could definitely see a 60% pump coming in for Shiba Inu if this plays out. There could also be some downside. Okay, just so keep that in mind. But what I would do is I would buy in now. I would put a stop loss. I would put a stop loss probably around about this area here. Put a stop loss around about 23. That's what I would do if I was trading Shiba Inu. I'm a hodler, right? I'm a hodler. Let's take a look at Doge. So what I would do for Doge is I'm anticipating a 40% rise. Let me just turn that on for a second. So let's take this chart and adjust it. Here, move this down so you can see it. So we're anticipating for Doge probably from here to here. Hopefully you can see that. Probably like, long-term bull flag 40%, but in the short term, I'm looking at 30 cents. So 52% rise. Now I would definitely set a stop loss. I would set a stop loss around about this area here. Around about right there. 16 cents would be where I put a stop loss. So I think if I was going to trade Dogecoin right now, I would put my stop loss here around 16 and a half cents. And then I think we can get up to around about 30 cents. That's what I'm thinking for Doge. I mean, yeah, beat me up in the comments, trolls, eat your cat food, but you'll see. But these Bollinger Bands are tightening, and you can see that the tightening on Shiba Inu is really tight, and that's what gives me some kind of indication that we're going to see a huge pump out there. On the technicals, Shiba Inu is neutral right now, so that's what that's all about. Max is saying Bitcoin bull run is here. Definitely, we're still in the reaccumulation. Bull market is coming. We're going to see some weirdness, some choppity chop. Bitcoin inflation rate will become lower than gold's post-halving. That is pretty good out there. We're also seeing right now that in terms of weird and wackiness from the government, nothing big is happening. It is the 12th. Nothing, absolutely nothing out there. We're seeing that overall the returns for Q2 is down 1.43% for Bitcoin, so not too shabby. Hopefully we can flip green soon. That would be good. Guys, get your crypto off centralized exchanges. Get a NANO Leger. The Winky's down there. And right now they're giving away some of this, some bitty out there. So check out the link. Doesn't cost you more, but it helps me out. We're also seeing right now that the amount of Bitcoin exchanges is continuing to dwindle. Supply shock, huge supply shock coming in for Bitcoin. That's going to push the price up, guys. We're seeing more and more demand. Looks like new Coinbase customers can now use Apple Pay to buy Bitcoin and crypto in the UK. So that is good news. Good news, bears. Right now, believe it or not, 87% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money. So that's freaking awesome. News-wise, Dogecoin flies bullish flag as Doge Day draws near. So this is a target of 40 cents out there. So let's dive into this. As the crypto market resumes the bullish run that has seen Bitcoin climb back above its critical level of 70, and we're above 70. Okay, and continue further up. Dogecoin is no exception, and its current chart patterns suggest even more impressive gains to follow. So significantly, Doge is demonstrating a bull flag on the daily chart. Okay, yeah, we can see that. Let's take a look at the Doge chart. Let's take a look at it. Where is it? Doge. So on the daily, you can kind of see, according to this pattern here, you're seeing a bull flag, right? Here's a flagpole, there's a flag. So let's map that out. Let's get it. Where is it? So you're kind of seeing, here's a flagpole here, right here. Let me turn that yellow. And here is the flag in between here and here. Okay, so you can kind of see this flagpole formation here. Now, according to this, if this plays out, okay, and normally you take the length of the flagpole and you put it up here, and that takes us to 40 cents, okay? So that's what they're saying. So let's dive more into that article. So they're saying that basically demonstrating a flagpole, and it could hit 40 cents. And that's according to Trader Tardigrade. So that's the target. That's the freaking target right there, 40 cents. And basically you take the height of that flagpole, put it at the top of breakout, there you go. So at the time, many are speculating on whether Dogecoin will enter a new parabolic run based on the optimism sentiment surrounding the upcoming Doge Day, April 20th, during which supporters will mark with various activities. Yeah, I think it's going to come. I think it's going to come. And why I think it's going to come is because, well, technically, Dogecoin is looking sound. But also, I think that we're going to see something coming from Elon Musk, some big announcement, some huge freaking announcement. Maybe it could be the Dogecoin integration. Maybe not. Let's see. Let's see. So, like I said, this is no bull. Dogecoin is building for a huge breakout, guys. For a huge freaking breakout, guys. There's no bull out there. Looks like also machine learning algorithm sets price for Dogecoin end of April. So according to this article here, they're saying that by the end of the month, that Dogecoin is going to hit 16 cents. Now, that is contrary to all the indicators that we just talked about, the Bollinger Bands and the bull flag. So I don't think this is going to happen. I think I'm more optimistic. But they are saying 3 months from now, 50 cents. Okay, I'll take that. So let's see who's right, the machine or the OG, the machine or the OG. So I'm gonna make a tweet about that and save this one so we can go back and watch it. What else is coming for the Doge? New Doge bills are out. Burn your greenbacks and get the Dogecoin Cash. So yeah, freshly minted. Dogecoin will be the currency of the people. Have you heard of Dogecoin? Sure you have. You're watching the OG channel. You got to hear about it. And guys, it's rumored that Elon Musk said he will be buying more Dogecoin. How about you? Maybe there's going to be a big announcement on 420 where Elon Musk is buying more Doge, guys. So buckle up. Let's get it, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Much love to the community out there. Have a great day there, Bob. Much love to everybody. David Ricine, Shannon, Elijah, Rose, everybody out there. Much love. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Do comment. Do smash the like, subscribe, and share. Share. I appreciate it. Peace out.